Next set, let's start from the old guy.
Yes, from the old guy. Be careful, the cards are falling down.
Let's see if this really is the lucky chair.
Yeah, we'll see.
And if it's the lucky chair, then
They will
next
sit
time.
together next time.
No.
Oh, come on.
I don't like.
If you don't like. Rookie patch.
Rookie retro.
Retro, retro.
Oh, that's my pack, huh?
Yes, we can see from the side there. Oh. MJ. No.
Gordie
Paano
Howe.
nakikita?
Gordie Howe.
Pag sa gilid.
Sa side, yung black.
Ah, okay.
Brendan Wright. Ray, who might be traded also.
What?
And
Kung wala sa retro yung walang retro yung pack din.
Oo.
Hindi ka alin to trade? Asa.
Contract to.
Nate the Great is already with the
Yeah, Boston.
James Johnson.
Uy,
David.
Robinson.
Matagal na rin hindi nakita ng David to.
uy, patch yan, oh.
Uy,
Ganda,
patch.
oh. Ay, si
Oh,
Shasha.
goodness.
But
Good
6
job,
out of 9.
6 out of 9 is your number.
Uy, favorite number.
Yeah,
They wanted to trade him but nobody wanted to get him.
Why naman?
Malaki tas sweldo niyan eh.
The one there. No, it's just dumb.
Wait,
There close.
wait, one
Make it one of. Oh no.
Oh,
No,
8
it's a
of
patch.
10.
We have the 1 of 1 already. But, 1 of 1. It's
Also.
a redemption.
One of one
Hindi na
patch.
sign any live cards. Diba, matataas yung mga ano eh. Mga patch na yun.
Last one. Kevin Durant. Earl Clark. Bill Laimbeer. Dirk Nowitzki.
Dapat yung dude.
Ito dapat maganda to dapat. At least
Stephen
gold.
Curry.
Ay, hindi pala gold.
Ayan, oh.
4 of 10 Kevin Martin.
Puro patch sa likod ah.
Who is now a
My side.
Houston.
Ah,
Rocket.
that's the old guy side ah. So and so ah.
Was that your side? Oh, it's a Saki side.
That's the first case, right? Of the second batch.
Yes. No, maraming patch.
No. Durant again.
KD.
Noble name place is the next one again.
Noble name place, yeah.
No, come on. Green?
Robert
Parrish.
At least it's not JR Giddens.
Nowitzki.
Why? Do you have something against J.R. Giddens?
Oh, Curry.
What's with J.R. Giddens?
He sucks.
Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne Wade, who was injured earlier.
Oh?
Really?
That's
That's why you guys lost the Miami New Jersey game bet.
What quarter? Hindi ko alam yun.
First half.
Half
He
and
had, no, he left the. Oh, I think.
But
he,
still, they won the game.
Yeah, but only
the
by
odds
3
win.
points.
Yeah.
he did. They won.
They won the
Yeah.
game
Oh,
by
New Jersey sucks.
Kevin Martin. Marcus
Buti na lang
Thornton.
nag-ano ako dalawa eh. Mas mataas
Mo
kaya ako
Williams
dun sa
was
Utah.
almost
Mo Williams.
back.
Almost?
Yeah. Grant
They
Hill.
will soon have Mo Williams.
Gold.
Curry, oh!
Uy, nice.
Why 31, huh?
Hindi, error yan. No, ganyan talaga.
Oh, another.
31 talaga. Nag-error yung...
Who will soon be with the Cavs.
Really?
Along with Leon Powell.
Si Curry?
No.
Hindi, no. Mo Williams.
Ah, akala ko si Curry.
That's your last, right?
No. Sa kanya yung last.
Hindi, may dalawa pa ako.
O kaya nga, sa kanya yung last. Siya nag-umpisa eh, di ba? Tapos ako, tapos siya.
Okay. OJ. James Johnson.
Pat Riley?
Uy,
Dual
nice.
pieces. Pat Riley, John
Dual
Stockton.
numbered pieces.
Pwede yan.
Number to 12.
Derrick Rose.
Blake.
Dalawang Blake.
Alden
Rockets.
Houston. Babay T-Mac.
Babay Timok.
And LeBron James.
Sino pinagtitimak?
Kmart.
Kmart.
For T-Mac.
Yak, Lugi.
Dugi ang ano.
Rest both sides because of
No,
the
it
injuries.
might be a not. It might be a three team trade though.
Let's go back to the old guy.
Let's have a good card here. Oh wait, this is Conley.
Conley.
So this is a weird setup again. So this should be a good card. The next one. No, it's a Ray Allen.
Ray Allen.
Redemption yung maganda. Rubio yata yan, Rubio. Rubio yan.
No,
Hindi,
no.
Julius Irving. Retro.
What's that?
Extra
Retro?
shit noble
Double name
name plates.
Okay.
Julius Irving.
Number 2,
17.
17. Oh, that's good.
And Manu.
Manu.
Gulo ng pack na yun.
Oo nga.
Oh, the wife of the cameraman is just playing.
Yeah. Show the wife.
No.
Gilbert Arenas.
Oh,
Stephen
Stephen Curry
Curry.
again.
Redemption.
Dryad Drexler, number 250. Rashid Wallace.
Patrick
Patrick
Mills.
Mills.
Oh, what a sucky.
David Lee.
Alat nun na.
That was a really sucky one.
Sino highlight mo dun?
Why
Si
Drexler?
Curry?
You give that a big tap before you open it.
Better open the next.
Dude, I think you need to take off your cap.
Take off your Salbakuta hat.
Why salbo ko tahan?
Salbakuta.
Durant. T. Lawson.
Abdul
Jabbar.
Nice patch. Oh.
Paul Pierce. DeMar Rosan, who
Oh.
missed all the dunks.
Yeah.
1 of 25 Dwayne Wade.
Seryoso? Wala pinasok ng dakdak si, you know?
Meron, kaya lang walang kwenta. Para lang
Okay,
tumang...
we'll see you again for the next
Yup.
So ano yun? Dalawa sa'yo,